So here we are revisiting logs again. So they've given me something like this and they say solve it. Of course, when we had something different where maybe 8 to the power of something equals 2 to the power of something. Of course, there's an x here and there's an x there that we're trying to solve for. We could make this into the same base because 8, I could change it to 2 cube and then whatever is that, and then 2 to that, and then I could cancel the bases and solve for the variable. But here, we cannot do that in this kind of question. Why? Because 5 and 200, they don't have a common base. So, and that's why we have the logs and the log rules to be able to solve this. And some of you might ask, why do the log rules help me to solve this? The log rules help you to solve this because if I log both sides and whatever you do to the left side, you have to do to the right side. If I log this, I'll log the 200. Now I'm able to bring that x minus 4 to the bottom or in front of the log. So I could just take this x minus 4, bring it in front of the log, because that's a log rule that says if you have log x to the power of n, you're able to bring n in front of the log. So x minus 4 comes down and you have the log 5 equals log 200. And then two things you could do. You could just distribute your log 5 into here, into there. So you have x log 5 minus 4 log 5 equals log 200. And then I'm going to bring the minus 4 log 5 to the other side. And that will give me log 200 plus 4 log 5. And after that, I just divide both sides by log 5. And therefore, x equals log 200 plus 4 log 5 over log 5. And this is exact value. If they want you to answer it in decimal, just plug this into your calculator and solve. Just make sure you cannot cancel this log 5 with this log 5 because of that plus sign. That doesn't allow you to do that. And this is basically the exact answer, or the exact value for the answer for this question. Now this is next question. And this question here, what you need to do is, again, log both sides, since you cannot make the bases the same. Also, a mistake that some students make, they multiply the 3 into the 4 and they make it 12 to the x. But math doesn't allow you to do that. Order of operations, you cannot multiply before you do the exponent. So you just gotta log both sides. So now I'm gonna have log 3, 4 to the x equals log 5 x to plus 1. And the reason we log both sides to be able to bring the exponents down, and therefore we could solve for x. Now here, if you look at the 3 times 4 to the x, so this is 3 times 4 to the x, and you log in the whole thing, you have to use the addition rule here to break this down. So you change this to log 3 plus log 4 to the x equals, I'm going to bring the x plus 1 down in front of the log. And I still have the log 5. And the same thing here, I'm just going to rewrite this and bring the x down. And at the same time, I'm going to distribute the log 5 into the 1 and into the x. So I have x log 5 plus log 5. The step after this to bring everything that has x's together. So you got to bring the x log 5 to this side, bring the log 3 to the other side. And remember, when I move things, I have to change when I move things to the other side of the equal sign, I have to change the sign. So I'm going to keep the x. So I'm going to keep the x log 4 on the left side, and then I'm bringing the x log 5 to the left side, so it's going to change to minus. And I'm keeping the log 5 on the right side of the equal sign, and I'm moving the log 3 to this side, so therefore it becomes minus log 3. Now here I take out x as the greatest common factor, and I get log 4 minus log 5 brackets equals log 5 minus log 3. Divide both sides by log 4 minus log 5. That cancels, and therefore x equals log 5 minus log 3 over log 4 minus log 5. Remember, a common mistake that we see as teachers, that students cancel this log 5 with this log 5, and that's wrong, because there's a minus sign here that doesn't, and minus sign here that doesn't allow you to cancel the logs. If you want to see the logic, 4 minus 2 over 3 plus 4. You cannot just cancel this and this, because 4 minus 2 will give you 2, and 3 plus 4 will give you 7. Now, if you cancel this and this, you end up with negative 2 over 3, which is not that, and then you know it's wrong. You cannot do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching again. Stay safe. Bye-bye.